How to make TikTok business account. To make a TikTok business account, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this home page. From this page, you need to tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you are in the Profile page, you need to tap on the menu at the top right corner. Then you need to select the option Settings and Privacy from the menu. Once you are in, go to Account. After that, you need to tap on the option Switch to Business Account. On this page, hit Next button. Keep hitting the Next button till you get onto this page. Once you're in the category page of TikTok, you need to select a category that best describes your business. Select an option from here and tap on Next. Skip adding email and bio for now to fast-track the process. Once you are in this page, tap on the option View Business Suite. Now, you can view all the features that came along with the business account. So by following these steps, you can easily make TikTok business account.